Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to write a program that will count the number of vowels and consonants in a given string or sentence using Pascal programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Okay, so we have here the title, program count vowels and consonants, and then we have a series of variables, inputs str for string, num vowels and consonant to count the number of vowels and consonants, I integer, current character char. So begin, we initialize the variables num vowels and num consonants, and then we have here vowels and consonants in Pascal. Enter a string that will be stored in our variable input str using for loop statement. For I 1 to the length, it will count the number of length by numbers of input str begin, and then current character it will convert into uppercase. So using conditional statement, it will compare the series of alphabets from A to Z, and then begin, and then vowels here will count the number of vowels, else becomes consonant, and then we close the looping statement, and then here we display the number of vowels and number of consonants here, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended, right line, red line, and end. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to our online GDB to run the code. Okay, so program is running. Let's say for example information technology. So in the word information technology, we have 8 vowels and 13 consonants. Let us tap another example. Let us run again. Okay, let us wait. Okay, let's say computers. So in the word computer, we have 3 vowels and 6 consonants. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to count the number of vowels and consonants in a given string or sentence using Pascal programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.